Welcome to this video, where we will be exploring the world of makeup and the reasons why women wear it. From self-expression to societal expectations, we'll uncover the many layers of this fascinating subject. Get ready to learn something new and engaging. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. The world of makeup is fascinating and ever-evolving. From ancient Egyptians using kohl to line their eyes, to modern-day beauty gurus experimenting with bold colors and unique looks, makeup has been a part of women's lives for centuries. But why do women wear makeup? This is a question that has been asked for decades, and the answer is not as simple as one might think. One reason is that makeup can be used as a form of self-expression. Makeup allows women to express their creativity and individuality by experimenting with different colors and looks. It can also be used to enhance one's features and make them feel more confident in their appearance. Makeup has the power to transform a person's appearance. It can make one feel like a different person, and that can be empowering. Another reason is that makeup can be used to conform to societal expectations and beauty standards. From a young age, girls are bombarded with images of what is considered to be beautiful and attractive. Many girls feel pressure to conform to these standards and believe that wearing makeup will help them do so. The beauty industry is worth billions of dollars, and it perpetuates the idea that to be beautiful, one needs to wear makeup. As a result, many girls and women feel pressured to wear makeup to fit in, to be accepted, or to be considered attractive. Additionally, makeup can also be used as a form of camouflage. Women may use makeup to conceal blemishes, dark circles, and other imperfections, in order to present a more polished and put-together appearance. Makeup can be used to hide insecurities, to make people feel more confident, and to present a more polished version of oneself. Makeup can also be used as a form of self-care. Putting on makeup can be a fun, relaxing, and therapeutic activity that makes women feel good about themselves. Some women may use it as a way to treat themselves or to feel good after a long day. It can be a form of self-expression, a form of self-care, and a form of self-love. Another reason is that makeup is often seen as a rite of passage in a woman's life. From the time a girl is a teenager, she is expected to start wearing makeup and experimenting with different looks. It can be a way for girls to feel like they are growing up and becoming more mature. For some women, wearing makeup is a way to mark the transition into adulthood and to assert their independence. It is important to note that the decision to wear makeup is a personal one and that there is no right or wrong reason to wear it. Everyone has their own reasons and motivations for wearing makeup. However, it's important to remember that makeup is not the only way to express beauty and confidence. Inner beauty is just as important, if not more so. The world of makeup is an ever-evolving and fascinating one. Women wear makeup for many reasons, whether it be for self-expression, societal expectations, camouflage, self-care, or as a rite of passage. The decision to wear makeup is a personal one, and what matters most is that a woman feels confident and comfortable in her own skin, whether she chooses to wear makeup or not. Inner beauty is just as important, if not more so. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative and engaging content, and share this video with your friends and family.